everyone, and welcome to another vlog. Today we'll be spending the day in the city with my boyfriend. We're planning on going to the zoo, a cute little cafe, and a new store that opened at the Bahnhofstrasse, and other stores. I love the store, and when I heard that one is gonna open here, I was so excited. Just finishing up getting ready because I need to leave in a couple of minutes and I haven't even done my makeup yet. Okay, so I'm ready now. This is the fit. Just did little everyday makeup for the zoo. I am so excited and I need to head out now. My bus drives in like 7 minutes, but yeah, so excited.
quite nice. Yeah, I knew that.
My cat is telling us. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Rustin. We just got back, or like I just got back. My boyfriend went home quickly to grab a few things, and I just unpacked in the meantime, and I cleaned up the kitchen. Yes, I did, kitty. Yeah, I cleaned up the kitchen because he's going to cook for me tonight. I'm so excited. He told me that he wanted to cook for me, and he's going to do that tonight. He's going to make salmon pasta with tomato soup. Tomato soup is one of my all-time favorite soups, and I'm so excited. He'll be here in a couple minutes probably, but we had a really nice day out. We did a lot of walking. Sadly, the part of the zoo with the big kitties, like the lions, the tigers, and wolves and stuff too, is closed until 2025 because they're building new things. They're making it bigger. So yeah, we can see big kitties. But we saw a lot of other things. I saw the giraffes for the first time. That's him. Ha.